Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in. I have here in my hands Looney's premium accessory needle kit. As you'll see, everything will come in this nice indiscreet box with no extra labeling on it, so that way when it shows up, only you know what it is. I'm going to show you the contents on the inside, explain exactly what each item is, and that'll be it for today's video. So inside this accessory needle kit, we have the rubber grommets, we have our custom 3D printed hand poke tattoo tool, and we also have a bunch of needles. So here with our needles, you're going to get 10 of the 9RL, our size 9 round liner needles. The size 9 is going to be your standard regular line work needles that you'll need to use. You'll also get 5 of the 5RL round liner needles. So the 5RL is the same sort of design or line work that you would use with the 9RL, except the size 5 is smaller. Therefore, the lines is a little bit more smaller, a little bit more detail focused. And lastly, you'll get 5 of the 5RS needles. The difference between RS and RL is RS stands for round shader. The 5RS is meant for smaller, detailed, round shading work. They can be used obviously regular tattoo machines, but these are more so designed for hand poke tattooing to get with the smaller, more finer, detailed work. Along with the tattoo tool, you'll see we include basically 20 of the rubber grommets here. These are going to be the rubber grommets that are actually at the top of the tattoo tool. And just to show you, everything here should be nice, clean, and sealed. When we open up this tattoo tool, you will see here's our custom 3D printed hand poke tattoo tool. It does come pre-installed with one of the rubber grommets. To replace them, you can just simply pull it off, push it back on. This little rubber grommet is meant to actually hold the needle on there nice, tight, and secure. To kind of show you what that looks like, we're going to take one of these. This is a 9RL needle. As you can see, it's all clean, sterilized, safe, and secure. Open that up. You'll take your tattoo tool, the O-ring on the needle. You'll place it over the rubber grommet. You'll twist it around in a circular sort of motion to get it over the rubber grommet. And once it's fully over, you will see that the tattoo needle is actually relatively secure and it can't fall off the tool. So then you'll take the needle, bring it around, you're going to press it down into the channel and snap it in. And you'll see once that's pressed in, the needle is actually already good, ready, safe to use. It's secure, it's not going to wiggle around or fall anywhere. Normally in some of these other videos, you'll see that we'll actually take a medical tape and wrap it around to give you a little bit more of a comfortable grip. But that's basically just to show you how the components in this premium accessory needle kit work and how they go together. So with that, this is just basically a restock item for needles, rubber grommets, and an extra tool. This is going to have you out there hand poking safely and cleanly, very fun and efficiently. So with that, that is the premium hand poke accessory kit. If you do have any other questions on this kit or any other kits here at the Looney Zoo, please do not hesitate to reach out. We're more than happy to help. And with that, cheers, happy tattooing.